Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be installing some black interior pieces that I got from Pull Apart. So I've been going there recently trying to find all of the black interior pieces. I'm still missing a couple for the interior, but today we're gonna be installing the door cards and a couple other pieces that I have. So let's get this started. So all these pieces right here is what I got from Pull Apart. As you can see, I'm still missing like the armrest piece and the piece that goes under the dashboard, but I'm gonna be installing most of this. I probably won't be installing this today because I'll have to like deep clean this, and I don't feel like cleaning this at the moment. But I am gonna clean all these pieces before these go in, because these just snap on, where this I have to actually unbolt stuff, and I don't feel like doing that. So let's go ahead and start cleaning all these. What a great time-lapse video. Look how pretty. She's kind of dirty, but sheesh. Alright, let's go ahead. These are the current door cards, tan, very dirty, full of trash. Sorry, I'm pretty sure most of y'all know how to take a door card off. If not, there's gonna be this little plate here and a little latch. You just pull that latch back and pull this plate off. It's gonna be 2 Phillips head screws, don't know what size, just Phillips heads, and 1 Phillips head screw right in this hole. It's kind of hard to show you. I don't know if you're gonna see. No, you can't see, but there's a Phillips head screw way back there. So you take those 3 screws out, and this door card will be loose. Well, not loose, but you just gently pry it off, because there's plastic clips. Oh, I forgot, there's also a 4th screw right here. Just pull this piece of rubber off. Boom, 4th screw. So you go ahead, pull those 4 screws out and gently pry it up, and then unplug all the wires, and it should come right up. So let's get to it. Before you put this screw on right here in the corner, don't forget to put on the little rubber piece over the screw. So, the little. Alright, took me forever just to get that plug unplugged. Oh, this one has the little cap I want. I'll take that off in a second, this little window piece cap. And definitely put it on there. But now I'm gonna go ahead and change these pieces. So what you want to do is go ahead and pull off the little gasket thing, door gasket, and these just pull right up. Okay, well, should pull right up. I'm gonna just cut to the part where I get them. Well, I'm gonna cut to where I'm getting them off. Alright, got the black door card in with these black pieces. It goes all the way to the back, except for that one. That one's on the ground out here, but I didn't feel like taking off the back seat right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the door cards and this line, and that should be it. Alright guys, so I just noticed that there's a piece on the tan interior doors that the black interior piece doesn't have. I'm not sure if it's because it's the A-Spec, if it's the year that I got it from, or what, but they have these little pockets on the inside where this door is. I guess it's optional because it just slid right out. If you guys know anything, let me know down in the comments below. Alright, moving on to the back door card. It's gonna be the same. The 2 bolts right here, 1 bolt right over here, and 1 bolt in this hole, and the rest are just plastic clips that you can just pull out. So let's get to it. Done. I am missing that piece right there, the glove box and the middle center console. Yes, my car is dirty, but this is what it looks like. I know that you guys all seen black interior and TL before, and I have too. I had a silver TL with black interior, but just getting rid of the tan. Let me just block that out. Sheesh. So that red and black looks so good together. So great. I can't wait to completely finish this car out. I'm not going to get a cinematic video because we all seen black interior TLs. I will get a cinematic whenever I finish the entire interior, the black interior. But for now, this is what it looks like. Don't know how to speak. Alright, very beautiful. Sheesh, don't know how to talk, but that's how it looks, guys. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. It's not much, very short video, just a quick and simple way to install these door cards and the black interior pieces. I still need to go back to pull apart and pull the rest of the interior pieces. If you want to see that, let me know in the comments below. Also, I would just be talking about random cars or parts that I want to pull off of other cars and pull apart. But if you like today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna go ahead and get some ice cream. Peace.